everyone, so today I have got an exciting video. I have got the Revolution Superdrug edition advent calendar to unbox for you guys. If you guys know, I always unbox this pretty much every year, and normally I prefer this one to the other one. This one is a 24-day advent calendar, costs £40. This is exclusive to Superdrug. This has got 10 full sizes, 8 mini sizes and 6 accessories, which I think sounds like a lot, but we will see. And anyways, we're going to unbox it. I'm very excited to unbox it, and yeah, let's just get into it. This works out at about £1.60 a day, and yeah, we're just going to go straight into it. It's the older design again with the perforated lines. It's a bit harder for us to get into, but yeah, we'll get straight into it. £1.60 per day. Let's have a look what we're getting. So the first thing we have got here is the Peptide Glaze Tinted Lip Serum. It's just a little mini size. It is a 4ml size. It looks like a really nice colour. I actually like this size. I think this is a really nice size just to have in your pocket, in your handbag, something like that. I actually really like that. So yeah, that was day number 1. And day number 2, which is up here. Oh, we've got a little quad. I prefer eyeshadows like this size. I don't know why, I do. This is a little quad. Them shimmers look absolutely stunning. Little quad here, and it's called Chocolate Haze. I think this is very fall autumny. I mean, you're getting it in December if you're opening it in the Christmas time, but you definitely could use that as a December-y, like autumn Christmassy shades. Yeah, so that's day number 2. We want day number 3, which is a little long skinny one here, which I'm guessing a brush maybe. Maybe that's one of the accessories. No, I don't think it is. It is a Fierce Flick Brown Felt Eyeliner pen. Oh, I'm excited about this. I don't wear eyeliner a lot, but I think it's quite dark for a brown. I thought maybe it would be lighter than that, but I think I would prefer a brown. So yeah, I'm excited about that because it's something different, and that is something like I might use, but it's quite dark for a brown. I will say it's bleeding just a little bit. Right, that's date number 3. We want date number 4, which is up here. Ooh. We have got a highlighter in the shade Reloaded. Honestly, I love this. This is so stunning, but as I'm getting older, I can't get away with like these shimmery highlights. I've got quite a few already in my collection. It just sits on my skin with texture, and I don't need any more. But beautiful, beautiful. That is 4. We want date number 5, which is here, which I'm guessing a lipstick by the shade. And we have got, no, we've got another eyeshadow primer. We got this in the other one, so yeah, this is something I would probably use because I feel like as I'm getting older I do need an eyeshadow primer, but I don't know if it's not very exciting, is it? Day number 6, which is here. If I can get it open. I don't know why these ones have been brought back. They're awful. Please stop bringing these back. We don't want the perforated lines. Right, this looks like a brow gel. Am I right? Am I right? Let's have a look. Am I right? Am I right? It is a clear brow gel. I quite like these. I normally get these stocked up, and I've got brow gel for the rest of the year. They're not the biggest hold. They're just like an average brow gel. To be honest, I've had the most strongest hold brow gels, and I don't feel like they do anything personally much different. The only one that I really liked was like the Krylon one. That was like on another level. I loved that. But yeah, I normally use them, so yeah. Right, that was date number 6. We want to date number 7, which is this little one here, which feels squishy, so this will be an accessory. Oh, it is pretty accessory though. It is a marble beauty sponge. Oh, that is lovely though, isn't it? Look at the design on that. I love that. That is so pretty. I really like that one. So that was 7. When day number 8, which is along here. Oh, we've got something that's a bottle, which is exciting. Oh, we've got a setting spray. This is something different. I love stuff like this. So this is definitely something that I will use, or like I like to use. This is the Matte Fix with White Willow Bark Extract, Oil Control, Fix and Spray. Should we have a go of it? I feel like I'm looking matte as it is. Like, the mist isn't too bad. It's got very highly scented, but I quite like it. But like, what does that do for your skin? But then again, I use lots of ones that are highly scented. I love the L'Oreal one. It's like hairspray for your face. Yeah, so I like that. Whether it's good, time would tell for that. So that was 8. We went day number 9, which is here. We have got another mascara. This is the Ultimate Lash Lengthening Mascara. It's definitely black. This is it here. That was day number 9. We went to day number 10, which is a big square. So I'm guessing the mirror, to be honest. Yeah. I was getting excited thinking it was something interesting. But then I thought, no, it'll be the mirror. So yeah, it is. It's the mirror. The Revolution mirror. Right, we want day number 11, which is another one of these little skinny ones, which was so hard to open. We have got an eyeliner pencil, and it's another brown one. I love that we're getting brown. I really like that. I really, really like that. Right, I haven't got brown eyeliners, so I'm quite excited about that. That is it there. I really like that. So that is something different. Something I haven't got as well, so that's a bit exciting for me. And it smudges too. I like that. So that was day number 11. We went day number 12, which is along here. Not that I wear eyeliner a lot, but you know, something different. Oh, I don't like this packaging. So we have got another Lip Shift ink. It is a peel off lip liner. Right, okay, this is different. So it's a lip liner, so it looks like it's in, thank you, it looks like it's in like a brown shade. So this, obviously you lip line your lips and peel it off. So it's like a thick consistency. Right, I'm going to put it on there and we'll peel it off in a couple of minutes. But yeah, oh, we're getting like proper like 90s vibes with the browns and then like browny shades, like 90s. That was 12. We want day number 13. Well, I'm losing my marbles. We have got something we can't get out. We have got, oh, an eyebrow brush. I like that. That's different. It's got like a tapered E-type end and then a spoolie. Yeah, I like that. I really like that. It's a bit thick. That's the only thing. But yeah, I like that. I do like that. Something needed. That was 13. We went day number 14, which is up here. It's a square one. Can't get this open either. We have got the blusher, and it is in the shade Reloaded. This is what it looks like here. I like that. That's pretty, isn't it? Something different, yeah. So that is a full-size blusher. And that was day number 14. We're on day number 15, which is here. Oh, we've got another one of them little... Oh, we've got two, sorry. 2 little puffs. I'm not keen on this material puffs. But because we got these last year, we got them in like a pink shade. I'm not keen on this material puff. But I know some people love them. So we got them little puffs. So that was 15. We went day number 16, which is a big square up here. So we got another powder, a full-size translucent powder. I think that's fab because everyone can use this. You know, it's something everyone can use. So yeah, I really like that. Really like that. We've got that. So that was 16. We went day number 17, which is down here. Ooh. We have got a little, like a £6 eyeshadow palette. How stunning is that? That is absolutely beautiful. I love small palettes like this, as you guys know. That lip liner still hasn't dried yet. Yeah, so I really think that's really pretty. Yeah, I love that. That's so pretty. So that was 17. We went to day number 18, which is up here. we have got a Pout Bomb, a plumping lip gloss. Oh, I love a plumping lip gloss. I really do. I really do. Shall we have a go of it? I do like a plumping lip gloss. Oh, it smells lovely. I really shouldn't be making my... I just wipe my colour because I don't want to put my... Really shouldn't be putting it on top of this colour. So it doesn't really tingle. Well, it's not tingling yet in any ways. It smells lovely. It smells really nice. That was 18. We want day number 19, which is a funny little shade. It's like two combined into one. I don't know why it's shaped like that. We have got a fan brush. Right, I feel like this is a very dated. Not for me, not something I would personally use. I think it's a little bit dated. It's something that was very popular a good few years ago. Yeah, I'm not keen on this day at all. At all. That was 19. We want day number 20, which is along here. Oh, we have got a powder puff, which I'm very happy about because I do actually need a powder puff, and this is like the standard powder puff, but it's in like a really nice diamond shape, so I'm quite happy to like get that in and use that. Very happy. I do like the Revolution powder puffs. Right, let's see. Yeah, it feels like it's dry now. So this is the Peely Off lip liner. So it's very faint. Can you see it that it's there? So I think that will work on your lips. We will have to try it properly, but yeah, it's something different and I like that. So, and I like powder puff. 21 we want, because that powder puff was 20. Right, we have got... Oh, look at this lip oil. How stunning is that? That is stunning. It's like a roller ball. It's like a roller ball. That is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. That is 21. We want day number 22, which is this. And some brown packaging. We have got a Power Player Volumizing Mascara, and it is a brown mascara. I'm excited about this. I think brown mascaras are beautiful. Oh, it's a chunky brush. Yeah, I like that. For no makeup days, yeah, that is definitely a one I can get down with. Love that. Love that. That was 22. We're day number 23, which is this other little skinny one. And this is a lip liner in the shade White Wedding. And this is it here. Really nice. Really nice. And then we want 24, which is our final day. What are we ending our final day on? Oh, this is a translucent glow. Light to medium skin tone. So it is to certain skin tones, which is a bit... it's a baking powder. But obviously it's shaded, and I'm assuming it's like a bit like the Laura Mercier one, the one that has a glow. I'm assuming it's a bit like that. I will say it's a bit because it's like a shaded one. But overall, that is the Revolution Superdrug Edition Advent Calendar. I actually love this. I love this so much. I like pretty much nearly all the products, which is really good, to be honest. I really like it. I think it's giving me like a 90s vibe. I don't know. Are you getting that? I am. For £40, I'm so happy with this Advent Calendar. I'm so happy. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I love it. I'm so happy that I got this one. I will link it down below for you guys. And anyways, if you don't know, for the items that I don't swatch, vice versa, things like that, I do keep some of the items, and I do a giveaway in the month of October and November, doing Advent Calendar giveaways. And yeah, so if you haven't already, I would love to subscribe down below. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, because there will be a giveaway on there in the month of October and November as well. And because I share Advent Calendar deals on my Instagram, I haven't had a chance yet. I've been working a lot. But I do normally share them when they go live and things like that as well. So I'd love it if you subscribe, follow my Instagram. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I've got a lot more to come. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye!